Guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how can we fix Twitter sensitive content if it's not working. It's a very easy and simple process and it works in your laptop, in your PC as well as in Android and in iOS. Let's get started. Just first of all open a Twitter account or Twitter and then just in the second last option press on settings and privacy. After that in the fourth option, privacy and safety, press on that, and then on the third option it says content you see, press on it, and on the first one, display media that may contain sensitive content, you have to make sure that this is always turn on, not off, always turn on. Then if you do not want to see sensitive content on Twitter, just press on search setting in the last option, press on it, and the first one, hide sensitive content. If you want to see any sensitive content, then just you have to turn it off, just press this. But if you do not want to see any sensitive content, then just tap on it and turn it on. So this is the way to how to fix our Twitter sensitive content if it's not working.